I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
This little green one here seems to need a home.
I don't know, Charlie Brown. Remember what Lucy said? This doesn't seem to fit the modern spirit.
I don't care. We will decorate it and it will be just right for our play. Besides, I think it needs me.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh my. Look at that. Look at that.
That's that. What is it? Well, it's a leg.
What is it?
Well, it's a leg, you know, like in a statue.
Statue?
Yeah, statue.
Yeah, statue.
Ralphie?
My mother was trying to insinuate herself between us and the statue.
Holy smoke, will you? Do you know what this is? This is...
It's a lamp.
I can't put my arms down!
Come on, guys, wait up!
I can't get up! I can't get up! Ralphie! Help! I can't get up!
bug.
You sing alone, you can sing in front of other people. There's no difference.
Actually, there's a big difference.
No, there isn't. Wait.
I'm singing. I'm in a store and I'm singing.
I'm in a store and I'm singing.
Hey! There's no singing in the North Pole.
Yes, there is.
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity. 4:30, stare into the abyss. 5 o'clock, solve world hunger, tell no one. 5:30, jazzercise. 6:30, dinner with me. I can't cancel that again. 7 o'clock, wrestle with my self-loathing. I'm booked.
Of course, if I bumped the loathing to 9, I could still be done in time to lay in bed, stare at the ceiling, and slip slowly into madness.
Hilarious, my friend. He doesn't. Get back to the story, please. So, on the cover...
Does Santa know you left the workshop?
You know, we're all laughing our heads off.
Did you have to borrow a reindeer to get down here?
Go back to the basement.
Hey, Jackweed!
I get more action in a week than you've had your entire life.
I've got houses in LA, Paris, and Vail. One of them has a 70-inch plasma screen TV in them, okay? So I suggest that you take that stupid smile off your face before I come and smack it off. You feeling strong, my friend? Call me Elf one more time!
He's an angry elf.
Look at you! Ow! Hey, what? I wasn't ready for that.
Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I've really made sure to start and keep going with quite a few traditions. For one, cookie making, which I'm actually doing tonight, where me and my children and my in-laws and my parents will all come over and decorate and bake cookies. And then another one is we do a horse and carriage ride at my brother-in-law's house, and we go around his neighborhood singing Christmas carols to just random people in his neighborhood. We'll just stop and pull the little horses over and sing some Christmas cheer.
When we come home from Thanksgiving dinner, that's when we really start to celebrate Christmas. So that's the first time like our Christmas tree lights go on and the lights on the house and everything else like that. So it's to start getting into that spirit for our kids, so they understand, hey, like this is a special time of the year.
Kind of a small one. Where I grew up, there's a place called Calder's Dairy, which is like old school dairy shop. It has ice cream and the best chocolate milk in America. It would come in these old school glass jars, and it was just outstanding. You only got it once a year, and so my early memory is having really good, cold, thick, rich chocolate milk from this place called Calder's.
Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas.
Hey guys, happy holidays. Today we're going to be taking you guys with us while we make Christmas sugar cookies.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Mr. Rushman, you know how it is every December in schools. Kids start to get really excited, anxious, behavior starts slipping. I don't know what we can do around here. We got to find something to help improve the behavior at Whittier High School.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Who wrote Loser on the board?
Shows of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
It was destiny!
Swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing.
Why? Well, I got my phone taken away for 1, and for 2 I...
Hey!
Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frost.
Sam, come on in, buddy. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
I just called you down to say thank you. All your hard work is paid off. Behavior's gotten a lot better around here. There's a reward.
Let's go!
Yes.
In Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time.
Look, he's right there.
To rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle up.
Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween. Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween.
Merry Christmas to all the warriors, I know class is boring. Now we on break eating some steak. They call me Jay Wookie while I'm dipping my cookies in the milky. All these candy canes spin the bang. I'm not trying to see the gym till the new year. Oh yeah, I forgot, the gym is my fear. Christmas is about giving, how that's funny. It should be about giving.
Everyone has seen the fear in the world, and day by day we get stronger. Even though some days it's harder, we still accomplish our goals and show the world.
Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween. Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween. This ain't Halloween. No, this is Christmas. $1,000 jeans, they on my wish list. DD take the shot, he ain't missing. Hey, hot cocoa and I'm mixing. Wake up in the morning and I'm opening up the presents, man. All this green I sent to, man, I just wanna call him Benjamin. Green all in my pocket like I'm eating all the eggs and ham. Watching all the games and then I'm just kicking it with the fam.
Snow falling, yeah, the money falling too. It ain't Halloween, but I need to find a boo. Chillin' in the class, man, I'm thinking about the stew. I get the bag like I'm Santa, yeah, we running through the woo.
Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween. Christmas is the time of year to hang out with your family. I'm drinking hot cocoa, write my list, I'm just like Santa, please. Flying to my house, I hear the reindeer bells, oh how they ring. December 25th, I've been awake waiting since Halloween.